Let me show you how to use any Google Pixel as a Windows web camera basically. So by the way, most laptops or computers basically have absolutely terrible webcams, and the Pixel camera obviously is super great and we can actually use it as a webcam. For this we actually need to use the same cable that we use to charge it. Next we have to basically plug it in the computer basically, and once it's plugged in, this is what you have to do. You have to swipe down basically. Swipe twice till you see this charging this device via USB, and click on this and click for more options and then select this here webcam. Okay, and then we need to go to our Windows computer. I'm using the 11 basically. We are going to go to the settings basically, open basically the settings till you see this tab basically here. Then you click on the Bluetooth and devices. Okay, and then scroll till you see your cameras here and click on that. Then if you actually have successfully connected it and actually selected this is where it will appear over under the connected cameras, Android webcam, and we have to simply select that. Okay, so and I think, yeah, as you can see, as I'm moving, you can see it's obviously working and everything is okay. Also, if it's still not working, you can also go to this integrated camera where it will say and click disable here, as I have already done it. Otherwise, if you open some programs, it might still use this webcam over that Android webcam, but you basically have to go here and make sure this is working properly and not that other internal camera basically. So yeah, this is how I do it on any Pixel. So this will work pretty much on even oldest ones and even the newest one. If you want to see more videos about these phones, then make sure to subscribe. See you.